Hi, my name's Frank Valentic, Director and Buyers and Vendors Advocate at Advantage Property Consulting. We're often asked what is happening in the marketplace, so here's my market update. Looks like the Melbourne market is holding up quite solidly. Clearance rates at auctions are still fairly consistent, around 70%, though the auction numbers are now down to around only 100 auctions. Auctions have returned and so have opened for inspections, but they're limited to 10 and up to 20 people in the future, so still not the best way I think to sell at the moment until the auction numbers can return back to normal. Though Melbourne's median house price in the March quarter was at an all-time high 890,000, and the unit price is also at a high of 640,000. I think this will come back a bit in the next 6 months. But stock levels remain really low, and it's all about supply and demand, and there's none of this forced distressed selling that people have been talking about because of coronavirus. 40% down the stock levels at the moment, so buyers are less in numbers, but there is less stock to choose from, so it's sort of evening itself out. We're still seeing some solid results at the top end and the entry level of the market. A house in Burn Avenue, Elwood, I think has set a new record. The previous record was 6.55 million in Dickens Street. This was sold for an undisclosed figure at least a month before the auction, and it was quoted 6 to 6.5, so I'd say that would be probably above the top of that range. We're also seeing some solid results at the bottom end. We had a vendor advocacy in Denham Street in Hawthorn, and we had 6 offers on that property, and it was an unrenovated 2-bedroom apartment which we thought would probably get mid-sixes, and we had a result at 706,000. So those ends of the market, entry level, the first home buyers are really dominating. Top end I don't think's been affected as much, and we were involved in an article recently with the Herald Sun about where there's major discounting in Melbourne, and 7 of the top 10 discounting suburbs were in that 1.3 to about $2 million price range. So I think that end of the market there seems to have a little bit more volatility, and it is a bit more up and down in those sectors. Though there's solid results across Melbourne still, buyers are out there. We're just finding now the buyer numbers are probably down to 30% versus what was inspecting properties previously, though there is more quality going through the properties that we're going through. So the Melbourne market's holding up. We're going to see some challenges later this year, come October, November, once the JobKeeper and other schemes such as the loan deferrals schemes start to run out. I think there'll be some more pressure there in terms of more people putting their properties on the market to sell, and an increase in volume there. Please don't hesitate to get on our website, check out information about our Buyers Advocate, Sellers Advocate Property Management, and our group block purchases, as well as subscribe to our free weekly and monthly market updates. We look forward to seeing you next time.